Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm just doing a video, and I'm gonna do another fidget spinner tricks video because that was really cool. Not cool, but like it was fun to watch. So when my family watched, they were like interested. But look what I have. Fucking something on my phone. I was playing with these. I got them from my garage, and now this is the place when I came in my room because I was playing basketball outside. And when I came in, like this. Just move all these two. I'm going to be doing fidget spinners part 2, so I'm going to try and do the one. I saw the one where my pinky. I saw the one with my pinky. Like I go like this. That. So I did it first try. I did this first try last time. I landed like over here, but like it was like I don't. Oh. It landed. It was like this one. It landed like this. And then when I moved the phone, it fell. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but... Oh, my finger. Let's do the cheek one, because you always tell me to do cheek. Is that even possible? Oh, my neck. Oh, my tooth. I'm hurting myself to do. Okay, let's do fidget spinner versus tooth. Oh, that hurts. You guys could just hear this. Watch. Can you hear that? It hurts. Ready? Watch this. I'm gonna smoke the weed. Watch this. Okay, I'm going on the trip now. I mean, oh, just that. Like, oh. I have really nothing. I have to go to the bathroom, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So I'm about to just end this video. Oh, I know my here. So these things are really good. I thought they're fidget spinner. But here it is. Look what my friend did to this. He's a cock. Look what he did. You see that scratch? You see that right there, right where my finger is. You see that scratch? It still works and stuff. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. That doesn't work, but here we go. This better work. Serious! I'm gonna kill you guys. Does that look cool, guys? Like, watch this. Probably hurts. You know what? Y'all been doing bad stuff, so I'm gonna hurt y'all. That is that. Look, what does it look like? That's a stunt, I guess. Watch this. The frisbee. Yeah, that was not a good hit, but really breaking my camera. Okay, don't do this. Oh. Okay, one more. Oh no! My nose. Oh my eye! Wait. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.